As everybody knows, we lost a member of the team last week, so we're not going to use the helmet anymore.
But I really appreciate you guys, stepping up for me and, we talk about family. So, I felt Charlie was part of this family. He was at the events and stuff. I know he's a dog and whatever, but he meant a lot to me. So, he was always with us, the hiking and stuff. And so I always appreciate you guys being there for, letting him be a part. And he's his caller. Good to the dog in the game. So, Jimmy, great game. But Big D. Yeah!
Your face